Have you ever failed geometry in 8th grade, then proceeded on to algebra 2 anyway? That's what happened to me. I went to pre-calc next, and now I took my college board AP calculus test. What's cracking? Get that review packet, all of the things you should have already knew, packet. I'm at my limit. I'm approached from left and right, and now I'm talking unit 1. Don't let these concepts out of sight. If you stress about derivatives, please just don't. It's mad easy, lemon squeezy, just a tangent line slope. And if you're smart, you use the power rule. Let's try and hone it. First you multiply the front of this guy by his exponent, then you take one away from this, it works fine. Guaranteed to help a student win it each and every time. But these denominators derivate despicably, my guy. So it's g squared under f prime g minus f of g prime, and you can quote me on that. It rules, use that every time. That's how you derivate on x's on the top and bottom side, approaching 0 or infinity. It's no big whoop at all. Just take a big breath and hit up my man La Overtall. Take derivative of g of x and put it on the bottom. Do the same with f of x up top, evaluate, you got it. I'm instantaneous with flow and my derivatives are lame. They're trying to jack my style, got my instant rate of change, but it's all good, man. Yeah, we're learning, me and you. Let's talk about particle motion and we can start up at a zoo. Can I please paint my zebra? Yeah, my zebra is pink. When it comes to f and primes, that's what you should think. F is where you add it, then you add a prime to that. You give velocity, accelerate by adding that apostrophe. But back to the zebra, let's go letter by letter, so you know how to evaluate F and primes better. The C in cans for concave, up or down. Think of that U in up and think of down like a frown. Next up is I, and before you even try, it's increasing or decreasing to the sky or down, my guy. Can I please have a point of inflection? You know I'm stressing, that's the point on the graph where concavity flips directions. Let's take that next piece of paint, remember positive and negative. That infinite and max is where the bottom man top level is. And that zebra is zeros, it's really black and white. Don't overthink, just read the graph using those. Have you ever failed geometry in 8th grade, then proceeded on to algebra 2 anyway? That's what happened to me. I went to pre-calc next, and now I took my college board AP calculus test. We took our time with all the info that you hear, saw the FR and MCQs, and we had nothing to fear. We worked for a while and we don't have to any longer. We thought our questions out, guess you could say that we pondered. Yo. Say the Y's, my haters, over X will say it's time. How do I find the area of what's under this line? Before we cover integration, we should talk approximation. Left or right or center triangles or trapezoid summation. I ain't playing, I'm talking Raymond sums, you hear? Get a ton of those in the area, it's almost clear. But even with 100 segments, I would still be kinda stressing, cause it's not exact. If you want that, the integral's your weapon. I would give you all the steps to solve all integrals that come your way, but that would take a whole new song, and we know you don't got all day. So be cozy with this, cause this is the sitch. We popping out the fundamental theorem of calculus. Differentiator, integrated function, think that's it? I blow your mind cause those two ops are really opposite. So use that to find the 3D volume of this. It's a revolution around the axis, get a Hershey kiss. There's a long equation I've been raising, I know that you got this. After AP Calc with Mr. Ponder, ain't no way you gonna miss. What? AP Calculus 2021, 2022, AP Calculus AB with Mr. Ponder, baby. That's right. One more time. Have you ever failed geometry in 8th grade, then proceeded on to algebra 2 anyway? That's what happened to me. I went to pre-calc next, and now I took my college board AP calculus test. We took our time with all the info that we hear, saw the FR and MCQs, and we had nothing to fear. We worked for a while and we don't have to any longer. We thought our questions out, guess you could say that we pondered. Okay. Lil Shaddy on the beat, what's good?